sure the remote control here works. Left and right, up and down. So it's hard enough to do this without the dealing with the rest. Anyway, this is day 4 of Babyface. Day 4 of Babyface. Let's see here. Get on that inversion rack. Oh, this is not very good. Let me tell you why it's not very good. I don't know if I can reach the remote controller to fly. That'll be a problem right there. Can't even reach the remote control. Not sure that I can see the screen that I'm working on. Could be a disaster. All right, let's see. Can I even fly? Flippity flippity flee. Oh my gosh. I'm in the air. I'm in the air. I can't see the plane. I can't see the issue is I can't see the plane. Oh god. Alright, so the issue is not that you can't do this, but the issue is I can't see the plane that I'm flying. Go this way. Where are you, plane? Oh, okay, I see you. I see you. Clearly not the way to go. Not the way to go. Oh, I crashed. So, well, the biggest issue of doing this is that I can't see the thing that I'm flying. So, that'll be a bit of a problem. I can only see half of my screen. Oh, okay. Okay, how can I do this better? Well, if I go here, so if technically, if I could go a little higher, let's see if I could do, oh, no, resume it, right away, okay, right. Okay, if I can make myself go, no. Oh. You guys have no idea what this is like. Okay, if I, no, too much. You're about there. Okay, now I can see where I'm going. Okay. All right, I can see where I'm going. And that, my friends, is the most important thing about flying, is that you can see where you're going. Okay. Now, can we do a landing somehow? I'm not good at these anyway, but we have the, oh, that was pretty good. We have safe, if you ask the RC Sailors or Brian Phillips RC, he will tell you that. That was an AS3X, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, the safe mode in Horizon Hobby is amazing. It allows me to do landings, or bouncing lands. In my case, bouncing lands. On the inversion rack, I'm flying. Anyway, is this as cool as what Jeff Bezos just did? He sent women to space. Women to space. I thought that was going to be cool. But the amount of hate he got for sending women to space, I don't get it. I don't get it. I thought it was going to be cool. But anyway. When was the last time NASA sent women to space? They don't get any flack at all. Why does anybody whine about NASA being the biggest joke in the history of space? Anyway, but Jeff Bezos got a lot of flack for sending women to space. I mean, come on, what are we doing here? All right. Anyway, so yeah, this is totally doable. Now, I don't know if I can fly a helicopter in this position. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's a little odd. We could try. That's only if it'll let me. There's no helicopter. Where are you? well, it's not really a helicopter.